My name is Katie Bannon, and I am going to walk you through how to create a profile in our system through your Women in Drones landing page. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to come up to this web page right here, worldwide.erau.edu/women and drones. And it's going to take you to this beautiful web page that we have created just for you. First thing to notice is this blue banner at the top. This is information for anybody who might be interested in pursuing an academic degree with us. You can check out each one of these. Feel free to click around and check any of these options out if an academic degree is something that you're interested. Otherwise, the rest of this is for our non-credit courses. You can see over here, we've got the contact us page. Our phone number and our email is right here for you to use. It is easier for you to send us an email. We have multiple people checking that, so you will get a quicker response if you reach out to us via email. But if you prefer a conversation, no problem. Please go ahead and give us a call right here. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see a create your student profile and explore our course options. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you come here is you're going to want to create your student profile. So right here is our student profile. You cannot register for any of our classes until this is done. You only need to do it once. Anything with an asterisk needs to be filled out. So as you can see, we need quite a bit of information. But what's most important is right here, Educational Alliance Partner. We want you to come in here and pick Women in Drones. That's where you came from. We want to know where you're coming from. This is how you found us. It will not let you move on until you do that. If you decide to pay on your own and your company is not going to pay with you, simply click this button. This all gets grayed out and then you can submit. Back on our landing page, let's go over here to explore our course options. You click on this. This is going to take you over to our professional education courses. So all of these are broken down by subject. And then down here we have certificate programs. So depending on what it is that you're interested in, you can click on it. So let's click on uncrewed aircraft systems. So let's take a look here at SUAS inspection courses, SUAS 1400. You can see right here that we have 2 sessions coming up. So you'll just click on the name. What this is going to show you is going to show you an overview of the course. It's going to tell you that this course is part of a certificate. That will take you to the certificate program that it's a part of. If there's nothing here, it means it's just a standalone course. It's going to show you how many CEUs you'll get once you complete it, who should likely attend, what your course objectives are, and then a little bit of information about the course. As I said before, you'll see the sessions are right here. So if you wanted to start on May 1st, you just click on this and it's going to take you right here. It's going to show you that the class starts on May 1st, ends on May 28th. This is 12 a.m. to 11:59. That basically is telling you that this is on your schedule. It is open at all times. The course costs $399, and if you're ready, then you would just add it to your cart. Now, here's the certificate programs. This is the programs of that course, the Professional UAS Multi-Rotor Certificate. The great thing about the certificates is that they're going to show you exactly what you'll get out of this, who should be attending, what your topics are, and then down here is going to give you all the courses that you need. So we just came from the SUAS inspection course, but you're also, in order to complete this, you're going to want to take SUAS 2500, the advanced class at 2200, and the basic at 21. And we make it as simple as we can. These are all taken on your own at your own time when it's good for you. Once you have done all of those steps, you should be all set. And if you have any other questions, please do feel free to reach out to us and we would be happy to help you.